show you how to fix a really sticky slime and a really hard slime. So let's get started. So first of all, this is a super hard slime. As you can see, it's not stretchy at all because it's been overactivated. It gets super bouncy, so I'm going to show you how to fix it. So grab some warm water and you're going to grab your overactivated slime and just put that in there and wait a little bit. You can keep checking up on it to see the texture, and as you can see, it's already got way more stretchy. It would be a lot quicker if it was hot water, but when it's hot water, just always keep an eye on it because it will go super quickly. Keep taking it out and then feeling it, stretching it, playing with it. If it's not perfect, then put it back in. As you can see, it might get a little bit clumpy, but that's fine. You haven't done anything wrong. You just have to keep kneading it, and then it should come all together. I'm going to put it back in. This may take a couple tries. Take it back out, feel it. So cool. This will turn into the perfect slime. Just keep mixing. I'm going to try and absorb all the water on the table. So slimy. Just keep mixing. You have to really trust the process. Woo! This seems like it's going to be the perfect slime. Now look how stretchy it is. Perfect. I think this slime's done. On to the next slime.